Hey everyone, welcome to the Coyote Country Lodge, brought to you by PredatorHuntingWorld.com. On this episode, I want to talk to you guys about scent control, controlling your scent when you're out hunting coyotes. Now, a lot of guys go, I don't need to do any of that, I don't need field spray or nothing, I just work the wind and I can call in coyotes. Yeah, you know what, I could probably sit out there in my underwear and find that really stupid retarded coyote to eventually come in, but that's not the point. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to maximize how many coyotes I can actually call in by controlling my scent. And what you do is you control your scent with field spray, laundry detergent. There's a ton of different products you can use to control your scent. What you're trying to do is make your footprint of human scent as small as humanly possible. A coyote's going to smell you no matter what you're doing, no matter where you're at, they're going to smell you. But what you're trying to do by controlling your scent with the laundry detergent and the field wipes and the field spray and all those types of things is make it seem like you're not right there. What I mean is, I want that coyote to think that I am a couple hundred yards away or half a mile away. They're not exactly sure exactly where I'm at, even though they can smell me. They can't exactly pinpoint me because of the human scent that we put off. So what we're doing is we're controlling our scent at home. It starts with, like I said, the laundry detergent, and then goes through with body wash and shampoo. We get out there, we spray everything down with field spray. Everything we're taking out into the field, we spray down. So that's our call bag, our chairs, or anything else we're going to take out. If you got a backpack, spray your backpack down. Everything's got some kind of scent on it, and you want to make that scent footprint as small as you can when you're calling coyotes. You never know, the whole point of this is you never know where exactly a coyote's going to be. We call a lot of coyotes in from downwind or just where we walked. They could be out to your left, they could be out to your right, they could be straight out in front of you, or they can be behind you. When you sit down, you just really never know where a coyote is gonna be. You just have a rough guess of, hey, this looks good, there's lots of signs here. So when you start calling, you want to make your scent footprint as small as you can to where a coyote's gonna come in from any direction at that point, and you're gonna get a shot on them. It gives you, from the downwind coyotes, it's gonna give you, a couple extra seconds. If they do really wind you, it's going to give you that little bit of extra time to maybe get a shot on them versus they wind you instantly and they take off running. But definitely you want to control your scent. I mean, definitely work the wind. You don't want to go out there and have that wind blowing across your back straight out to where you're calling. You want it as a headwind, so it's hitting your face going out that direction, or you want it right to left as a crosswind. You still want to work the wind. You still got to be smart about that. But when you're out there, make sure your human scent footprint is as small as you can get it. And guys, this episode is brought to you by PredatorHuntingWorld.com, the official store for Coyote Country gear and apparel. For social media, if you want to connect with us online, that's going to be Coyote Country TV for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you just want more information about our TV show Coyote Country, which airs on the Pursuit channel, our website for that is coyotecountry.tv. Guys, remember, it's always better being out in the field than it is sitting home on the couch.